About the first question, minus 6x equal to 64 minus 2 of minus x, and the value of x is, okay, options were given here. So there are sometimes where you will have linear equation variables on either side of your equations. We cannot expect always variables will be on left side. Okay, you can have variables on both the side also. So this is a perfect example for such questions. Just to check how I am solving this. You need to first multiply this inside, right? So minus 2 of minus x. So you just have this left hand side same. Negative 6x gives you 64, and when you are multiplying this minus 2 inside minus x, it's going to be plus 2x. Yeah, minus of minus is going to be plus. Now the very next step, you must arrange all the variables on same side. So either you can bring this 2x to left side, or you can bring minus 6x to right side. It's your choice. Okay, in this case I'm just going to bring out this here. So it's going to be negative 6x. When 2x transforming to left side of this equation, it's going to be negative 2x, which will give you 64 there. Okay, now negative 6x negative 2x will give you negative 8x equal to 64. Now this is in terms of product, so when it transform to right hand side, it is going to be divide. So 64 divided by negative 8. So when I am cancelling this, I'll get 8 times, negative symbol remains same. I hope you understand. Okay, so whenever you are transforming terms to either side, that is to the opposite side of the equation, make sure your plus is going to be minus and minus is going to be plus. In the similar way, multiply will be divide and divide will be multiply. So okay, so the entire linear equation concept is completely depends on these two rules only. Yeah, so the first answer is A, negative 8. I hope you understand this. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2, it's again exactly same like the previous question. If you want, you can even pause this question and you can try the answers. So always whenever I am displaying the questions, you have a full freedom of pausing the video, you try by yourself and then play and check your answer. And out of 10 questions, okay, whatever the videos I am posting, it can have 10 question or 12 question or 15 question. You can calculate how many questions have you done correctly and do comment it. Okay, so do comment. For example, if you are getting 10 out of 10, just do comment it, let me know. Okay, if you are getting 9 out of 10, let me know. Okay, so whenever a question appears, kindly pause the video, try by yourself, then check your answer. Now in this case, just write down the question. 5m minus 6 is equal to 3 plus 2m. I need to arrange variables on one side, constant on another side. So 5m, let it be here. This plus 2m, move it to left side, it is going to be minus 2m. And right hand side already you have 3. You just move this minus 6 to right hand side, it is going to be plus 6. Is that clear? Yeah, so you need to arrange variables on one side, numbers that is constant on another side. Now 5m minus 2m will give you 3m, which is equal to 3 plus 6, 9. Now multiply becomes divide. So m is equal to 9 by 3. So when you are cancelling this, your answer is just 3. It's a very simple question. Yeah, is that clear? So this is what we are going to do in this. So you have fraction type. So here also either side you have variable. So just write down the question. K by 3 minus 4 gives you 8 minus k. So just like the previous question, I need to arrange. So k by 3, keep it as it is. This minus k, move it to left side, plus k. And already you have 8. You just move this minus 4 here. So it's going to be plus 4. Is it clear now? Yeah. Now you can do cross multiply. You are going to just simplify this, right? So k plus 3k by 3 is equal to 12. Okay, I'm just adding this. Now this is going to be multiply. Divide becomes multiply. Okay, so numerator k plus 3k is 4k and 3 12s are 36. Now from this k you need to find. So 36 over 4, when you are cancelling, your answer is 9. It's very, very simple questions. Okay, so if you practice with just first 2 or 3 questions, then you will get some idea, so that you can be easily master over this concept. Linear equation is very, very simple concept, where you are just transforming the terms to the opposite side. That's what we are doing. Okay, now let's move to fourth question. Now question number 4, in this question, the equation seems like both the sides containing fractions. Okay, so whenever you have fractions there, I'll always suggest you to do cross multiply. Right, you just multiply this 5 to the left hand side numerator and multiply this 3 with right hand side numerator. Okay, just you are going to do cross multiplication like this, how I am drawing this arrow marks. So 5 multiply with negative 6p negative 9. In the same way 3 multiply with 2p plus 6. So what happens now? Just multiply inside negative 30p 54. That is, you need to multiply 5 with 6 as well as 5 with 9. In the same way 3 into 2 6p, 3 6 are 18. Is that clear? Now just like the previous questions, we have variable and constant term on either side of your equation. So you just arrange them in one side. So minus 30p, just 6p you just bring it here. So it is going to be minus 6p, right? In the same way, this 54, minus 54 when transforms to right hand side, it is going to be plus 54. Now minus 30p minus 6p gives you minus 36p, and here you have 72. So multiply becomes divide. So 72 by minus 36. When you are cancelling, you will get 2 times exactly, and negative symbol is there. So your answer is option B, minus 2. So just fix in your mind, whenever you have fraction terms on either side, you just do the cross multiplication so that you will get a simple equation like this. Then you can stop step by step, arrange all the terms one side, and finally focus on getting only your variable terms on left side. I hope you understand this question, right? If not, kindly do rewatch this fourth question alone, because these kind of questions are very, very important. Next, let us move to question number 5. Question number 5 is like a statement problem. From this question, we need to frame the equation first and then we can solve. So there are two stages. One is fun word problem. You need to convert into equation and then you need to solve. So these are the stages. Very important thing is, you know already how can we solve equation. But how you are converting this question into equation plays a very, very important role. Because if you are lacking here, then this is going to be automatically wrong. So read the question properly, word by word, frame the equation carefully, and then you can solve that equation. Now just start reading the question. If you want to try, yes, you can try. Pause the video, you can try. Now let me do. When a certain number m is divided by 5 and added to 8. So m divided by 5. So how can we write this one? M divided by 5 added to 8. Okay. And the second statement is, the result is equal to. So this result is equal to 3m subtracted from 4. Okay. Read carefully. 3m subtracted from 4. So I need to write 3m minus 4 or 4m minus 3 or 4 minus 3m. You may have lot of confusions here. So whenever from is given, that should be written first, and then you need to write 4 minus 3m. So now our equation is ready. I'll explain it again. Read the question. When a certain number m is divided by 5. So I am writing m divided by 5 representing in terms of fraction added to 8. So I am writing plus 8. The result is equal to. So you just write equal symbol. 3m subtracted from 4. So you should write 4 minus 3m. You should not write 3m minus 4. Now you can start solving this. Arrange m terms on one side. M by 5, this negative 3m, when you are moving it to left side, positive 3m, and positive 8 when it moves to right hand side, negative 8. Now you just cross multiply and simplify this. M plus 5 3s are 15m by 5 is equal to minus 4. What is 4 minus 8? 4 minus 8 will give you minus 4. Now you can just cross multiply and add the numerator. 16m, right? M plus 15m gives you 16m. 5 at the same time I am multiplying here will give you negative 20. Now from this you need to find negative 20 by 16. I can reduce this in 4 multiples, 4 tables, right? So minus 5 by 4 is the answer. Minus symbol is there, so be careful with the symbols. Therefore your answer is option D. Is it clear now? Yeah, I hope you understand these kind of questions. That is, when you are converting a particular statement into equation, you must be very careful here in this step. If you are framing the equation itself wrong, then there is no use of solving all these steps. Okay, so be careful, read the questions twice and thrice in order to frame the equation in these kind of questions. Yeah, next question. Question number 6. It's a very simple one, but what the final answer they are asking is, they are asking not only the variable value, they are asking you 3 times p. So first you need to find p value. Before that you need to frame the equation. If p is added to minus 5, so p is added to minus 5, the result is 7. So it's very simple, right? Very simple. P is added to minus 5, the result is 7. So that's all your equation. So solve this one. P gives you 7 plus 5. So whatever comes along with the p, you just transform it to right hand side. Minus 5 becomes plus 5. So p value is 12. But you check 12 is not there in your option. Why? Because the question they are asking is 3 times p. So 3 times p means you need to multiply this answer with the 3 times, which will give you 36 is your answer. So don't expect that always they will ask only x value, y value, a value, p value like this. From that variable value they may ask extension of this kind of questions also. Like they may ask you what is p by q, and they may ask you what is 4 times y, or they may ask you like 5 times x. This kind of questions also they will ask. So be careful, just don't blindly stop your answer only with your variable. Read the question fully and check what they are asking exactly. So in this question they are not only asking variable value, they are asking 3 times the variable value. Okay, so this question is different from the previous questions what we have done so far. Now let's time to move for 7th question. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, the result is 5 less than 5 times the number. Okay, listen carefully. If 10 is added to 4 times a certain number, so 4 times a certain number, so I can write this as some 4 times x, right? You can use any variable, it's your choice. So if 10 is added to 4 times, so I am writing 4 times x plus 10 is equal to, the result is 5 less than 5 times. 5 times means what? 5x. Less than denotes negative 5. Understand how I am framing this equation? 10 added 4 times. So 10 added 4 times. Left hand side. 5 less than 5 times. So less than means you need to write that number second only. Don't write 5 minus 5x. Okay, 5x minus 5. So it is a less than 5 times. So I am writing 5x in the beginning and minus 5. The reason behind why I am using negative symbol, that is minus here, means they are mentioning less than. Suppose if they are giving you more than means you must use plus symbol there. Okay, now your equation got ready. You can just start solving. You can even pause again. You can try by yourself. Let me solve this one. You will be arranging this 5x here. So negative 5x and 10 you can move it here. See, it's your choice. You can take anything to any side, but variables one side and numbers on other side. So 4x minus 5x will give you negative 1x, which is negative x, and this will give you negative 15. So what you are going to have? Cancel. So x value is just 15. Is that clear now? Yeah, negative either side you can get cancel. So your value is just 15 only. Yeah. Can you understand this one? Do you have any doubt? Yeah, I hope you have done correctly also. Okay, now next 3 more questions we have. Next to 8th question. 3/4 of a number is 3/4 of a number. So how can I write 3/4? We know that 3/4 represents fraction of 3 by 4, right? So of a number, so I can write this as 3x by 4. Okay, that is 3 by 4 of x, which means what? 3x by 4 of a number is, so this is so equal symbol, 60 more than its 1/3. So 1/3 is nothing but what? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 I can write it as x by 3. Okay, one third, it's one third. It's one third means what? X one third. So x one third, I can write this as 1 by 3 of x, which is nothing but x by 3. Okay, and 60 more than, so you can write plus 60. This is what your equation. Okay, you can again reconfirm by rereading the question. 3/4 of a number, this one left side, 3/4 of a number only I am representing into x, is equal to 60 more than its one third. Now equation ready, start solving this. 3x by 4 minus x by 3 is equal to 60. Understand what I am doing? I am just bringing this x term to the left hand side. You must always arrange variables on one side, right? In the same way, 3x minus 4 minus x by 3 gives you 60 there. Now you can just start simplifying, just like your ordinary fraction subtraction. We used to do cross multiplication method, right? So 3 3s are 9x, 4 into x 4x, by 4 3s are 12, gives you 60. So 9x minus 4x 5x by 12 equal to 60. So you are getting some fraction there, right? So this 5 by 12 on the left side, it will become 12 by 5. So whenever you have some fraction over there, when you transform to opposite side, you just reciprocal it. In other words, I can say that multiply 5 becomes divide 5, divide 12 becomes multiply 12. Okay, so instead of saying that one, I am just using the word reciprocal. Whenever you have a fraction multiplied with a variable, transform it to right hand side with reciprocal. So 60 into 12 by 5. Now you can cancel 5 and 60 how many times? 12 times. 12 12s are 144 is your answer. Is it there in option? Yeah, it's there here. So again saying, all these questions are completely based on how you are transforming the statement into your equation. If you are framing this equation correctly, then you will get correct answer. If equation framing itself wrong, then there will not be any use of solving all this. You won't get the option in your answer. Yeah, shall we go for 9th question now? I hope this one is clear. Question number 9. This question is again same like what we have done with the 4th question. You have either side fraction, but here they are creating one more variable. Okay, the value of x, this one, is k by 2. Okay, so this question has a two part. So first we will find x value and then we'll go for solving for k. Okay, find x value first. As I told you, you need to do cross multiplication, right? So 3 multiply with 6 minus x and 4 multiply with x plus 8. So multiply inside 18, 3x is 3x, 4x is 4x, 4 8 is 32. Now arrange variables and constant on one side. What you are going to get? 3x I can move here, no? So 4x plus 3x, 32 you can bring it here. So 18 minus 32. So 7x gives you minus 14. 18 minus 32 is 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, which gives you minus 2. So x value is minus 2. But what they are giving you here is value of x is k by 2. So minus 2 is k by 2 they are giving. So what is the k value? So this is nothing but what? K is equal to 2 into negative 2, which will give you negative 4 your answer. Can you understand what I have done? After finding x value, question they are mentioning this is k by 2. So k by 2 is your minus 2. So 2 when transformed to opposite side, divide becomes multiply. So 2 into negative 2 will give you negative 4 is your answer. Okay, this like we have done one question with finding p as well as 3p, right? In the same way, they are just doing some extension part of the variable value. Okay, these kind of questions they are not stopping within finding x or a or p. They are asking further. They are extending further one more step. Okay, now let us move to last question of this video. Christy scored 80 marks in her science test, which is 5/6 of the total mark. Total mark. So this question is something directly. Okay, let the total mark. Let total mark. You can take it as some x. Okay, so what they are asking, 5 by 6 is 80. So 5 by 6 of x is 80. Then we need to find how much mark the total test was conducted. So how we are going to write 5 by 6 of means what? It is representing multiply, right? Yeah, can you understand? So 5 by 6 of total mark is 80. This is what she got. We are finding how much mark that test was conducted. So x is equal to 80. This 5 by 6, when it transformed to right hand side, it is going to be 6 by 5. Yeah, can you finish off this? Okay, I will ask you to try. Okay, you just find this answer and do comment in the comment section. And if you are trying all the questions by yourself, that is from the beginning, if you are trying all the questions by yourself, just comment out of 10 how many questions you have done correctly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand all these questions. You have some outside book practice. Only these kind of questions will make you thorough knowledge about a particular concept. It is not like that whatever is given in your textbook, you need to practice only that one. Your knowledge will gain only when you are trying something out of textbook. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you like all my explanations, please hit like and share this video with your friends as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Catch you all in another video with another chapter.